friends, Running Kimono here. So we have another fantastic week over at Walgreens for the week of July the 21st to the 27th. We have freebies, cheap items. It is a fantastic week. Also, a lot of Tide deals, which is a favorite. First thing, I think on Wednesday, a couple of these boosters started to populate in your digital coupons folder. Look for them at the top. The first is a 10 back when you spend 50, valid that week only. The 21st to the 26th, in-store and online. And the one down below for Pampers is an online only if you look at the fine print, and that's valid right till the 28th, 21st to the 28th. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, July the 21st. If I could ask a huge favor, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. It takes a second and it really helps out the channel and the video. If you could just take a quick second and like the video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. The first item that we're going to look at is a total freebie. $4, $10 for the Dove or Tresemme. So probably your Dove shampoo is going to be $4 and the 5 off 2 digital. Hopefully it's attaching to that product. $5 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of those, it's going to be $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $3. Get back a $5 register reward, making it a very small money maker. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, is that smaller Dove bottle going to be attaching with the 5 off 2 digital? That's an unknown. And the Tresemme is for $10. That just seems a bit rich. So we're going to have to look at that pricing on Sunday morning. That's a Sunday morning thing. We're going to have to look at the fine print because something is just a little bit off with that. Now this is back, the 2 for $8 for the Garnier Whole Blends or Fructis. We're going to have a 3 off 2 digital, $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of the Garnier Fructis for $8, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. Now, the whole blends and the Fructis, the last time that this deal rolled around, they actually combined that digital coupon to be either whole blends or Fructis. I'm hoping that we get 2 separate digital coupons, so that's a wait and see on Sunday again, but very cheap shampoo. Another fantastic deal is the Dove body wash. If you missed it the week previous, you can do it again this week. Grabbing 2 of these body washes, it's going to be exactly $14. Subtracting that 7 off 2 digital, you'll pay $7. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, for a lot of you that did the deal the week previous, you might have this thought of, well, I should get another 7 off 2 digital coupon. And the answer to that is no. Because if you looked at the tags in the store, the promotion ran for 2 weeks. And I believe that the digital coupon was a load only for that first week. I took this photo this week. But if you look at the bottom right-hand side of these tickets, it's till the 27th. So they wanted to run this promotion for 2 weeks. So I think it's a one and done for that digital coupon that you could only load the 7 off 2 the one time. So if you did it last week, unfortunately, you can't do it a second time. Okay, so now we have the $3 Oral-B or Crest and up to $2 digital coupon. Typically, we get a $2 for the Oral-B and then $1 off of the Crest. So we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. But say we have a $2 for each, grabbing one of each products for $3 a pop, subtracting the $2 coupon off of each. Let's hope it'll either be a $2 and a $1. We'll have to wait and see what happens. But if we both get $2 coupons, you'll pay $2, get back a $3 register reward, making it a freebie. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. This next deal really excites me on the Sharpie markers, 2 for $10. $5 reward when you spend $20. The word spend is in there, so really pay attention to that. Fetch Rewards is giving back 1,000 points, which is the equivalency to $1 when you spend 8. Make sure you have this rebate. Grabbing 4 packs of the markers by Sharpie, that's $20. Pay that with your debit card. Get back one $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt to fetch for 1,000 back, making it $14 for the 4 or $3.50 per pack. Markers, a lot of us know the value right there. Because this is a spend deal, you have to pay for the balance. You can't roll your Walgreens cash or use a store register reward. And if you're doing the spend 50, get back 10 booster deal, this would be very ideal to bulk up that basket close to 50 bucks. Okay, so now we're looking at a deal with these larger Tides, and I know this is a favorite for a lot of us. $3 digitals, hopefully you still have them. Grabbing one of each, a Tide liquid and a Tide pod at $12.99, that's $25.98. Subtracting two $3 digitals, a $3 for the liquid and a $3 for the pods, you'll pay $19.98. Get back one $4 register reward, making it $15.98 for the two. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. However, if you're doing this with a booster deal, the spend 50, get back 10, you can't use your Walgreens cash for the balance, but this would be half of a $50 basket. You can achieve it pretty quickly with that. Throw in perhaps some Sharpies. You can see where I'm going with that. It would be very close to 50 bucks. So, the spend 20 on P&G and get back an extra $5 register reward. I think that ended on the 20th of July. So we'll have to look for those tags again or see if it prints, but I think that offer is also donezo. Promotion is also still running, I believe, for one more week. Buy 4 of these laundry care products, get back a $5 register reward. I took the liberties of photographing a tag, and if you look at the bottom right-hand corner, it says good through July the 27th. So as you can see, this has been a month-long promotion on these laundry care products by P&G for $5.49. Grabbing an assortment of them, so a liquid, a pods, a fabric softener, and a dryer sheet at $5.49 each. That's $21.96. Typically, there's about $5 in digitals that should melt off pour vous. You'll pay $16.96 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per product. And you do have to get a mix and match of items to get those digital coupons to come off. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster as well. Quick little Pampers deal. They are 2 for $21. Unfortunately, that booster of 4-pack when you buy 2, that is online only. But grabbing 2 bags for $21, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $18. Get back one $4 register reward, making it $14 for the 2 or $7 per bag. And again, with that booster, this would be an excellent item to bulk up your basket. Now we're looking at some cheaper Colgate. This is not as cheap as we've seen it this month, but it's $1 per. Grabbing 2 of the toothpaste for $9, subtracting that 3 off 2 digital coupon, you'll pay $6. Get back one $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Talking about that $50 booster, but this Nexxus deal might get you right to it. Now, if you remember a couple times back, these much larger ones were part of it. They're almost $27.99 if they were $16. If it's part of it, it's on. So grabbing 2 of the Nexxus, it's probably going to be the smaller ones, but let's hope. A girl can hope. 16 times 2 would be 32. Unfortunately, the $10 shampoos that are part of it are likely the Shea Moisture. Subtracting that one $5 coupon for the Nexxus, you'll pay $27. And then pay with your debit card for the balance because it's a spend 20, get back 10. $10 register reward, making it $17 for the 2 or $8.50 per. Does ShopMe have a $5 rebate for Nexxus on Sunday? We'll have to double, triple check. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as it's a spend booster. Spend 20 to get back 10 on Nexxus or Shea Moisture. And if you were doing a $50 basket, you would be like 60% of the way at a $32 balance for this Nexxus. Okay, let's talk about some honorable mentions. The first one goes to the BOGO free on the Pringles. I believe that is a monthly promotion. Now, a lot of stores around me, the Minecraft, this specific one is 29 cents. It's BOGO free, so it makes each can like 15 cents each or 14 cents each. The Green Mountain Breakfast Blend K-Cups, $5.99. That is a stock-up price. I mean, it's fantastic. And we also have the Kellogg cereal, 3 for $5.99. It shakes it out to $1.99 per box. And we also have the Complete Home trash bags, buy 1, get 2 for free. So I would definitely stock up if you need some trash bags. And more school supplies for $1, and it's part of the spend 20, get back 5. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.